subscribe to watch more. When you feel a wiggle deep inside your tummy, stop what you are doing, run, run, run to Mommy. Pull down your pants and sit right on the seat. Wait and wait and wait, tap your little feet. I did it, I did it. Yay for me. Now we use the paper wipe to keep us clean. Push the handle down, the best you have ever seen. Bye, bye. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Scrub with soap and water. You are a big kid now, doing what you oughta.